In this tutorial, we'll look at the point cloud registration and merging tools in MetaCam Studio. You'll learn how to accurately register and merge two datasets with shared features. First, click Registration and import your 2-point clouds. Once imported, select one as the reference point cloud. Next, you need to identify at least 3 matching pairs of points across the overlapping area. For the best registration accuracy, ensure these points are widely distributed, non-collinear, and not all on the same flat plane. We recommend prioritizing distinct features with sharp geometry, such as building corners. Once selected, set the save path for the registered point cloud, click Registration, and wait for the process to complete. To merge the registered point clouds, simply click Merge. For this example, select your reference point cloud along with the newly registered file. Click Confirm to complete the merge.